If you use LearnDash groups and assign group leaders to courses, you probably want each certificate to show that the group leader's name, not a generic label. With the LearnDash Certificate Group Leader Name plugin, you can do that using one shortcode, LD underscore, group underscore leader underscore name. This shortcode automatically shows the correct group leader for the course or group when the learner views or prints their certificate. Here's how to add it to your certificate and what to expect when you print. First, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. You need LearnDash LMS and the LearnDash Group Leader name on certificates. In WordPress, go to Certificates in the Admin menu, or, if your setup uses a different label, go to the screen where you manage LearnDash certificates. Open the certificate template that you use for the course or group where you want the group leader name to appear. If you use one certificate for many courses, that's fine. The shortcode will show the right group leader for each course or group when the certificate is generated. Edit the certificate content like any other page or post. Decide where the group leader name should appear, for example, under the course title, or in a line like Instructor or Presented by. Type the shortcode exactly like this, including the square brackets. Left bracket, LD underscore, group underscore, leader underscore name, right bracket. So it looks like LD group leader name. When the certificate is generated, that shortcode will be replaced by the actual group leader's display name for that course or group. If you want different text when there's no group leader, you can use the fallback attribute. For example, LD group leader, name fallback, knock group leader. For the shortcode to show a name, the course or group must have at least one group leader assigned in LearnDash. Edit the group, or the course's groups, and in the Group Leaders section, add the user who should appear on the certificate. If you add more than one group leader, the certificate will show the first one in the list. Save the group or course. After that, when a learner completes the course or group and opens or prints their certificate, they'll see that group leader's name where you put the shortcode. When a learner completes the course or group, they can open their certificate from the course page or their profile. On that certificate page, the shortcode is already replaced by the group leader's name. You don't see the shortcode itself, only the name. PDF, depending on your theme or certificate setup, the same name appears on the printed or PDF version. So the group leader name is included automatically whenever they view or print the certificate. That's it. Thanks for watching.